Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a while since I've done a video, actually since I did the announcement of the giveaway, the Fukubukuro. I have been working on quite a big project, and as soon as I can talk about it and release the videos, then you guys will know all about what I've been doing. But before I announce the winner of the Fukubukuro, I want to thank everyone that has entered the giveaway and everyone that's just supported my channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. To pick the winner of the giveaway, I just used a website which picks YouTube comments at random. So this was all completely by chance. So without any further ado, the winner of the Pokemon Fukubukuro pack is KNTDO339. And their comment was, "The Pokemon sleeping on the donuts are so cute, sideways heart." So KNTDO339, congratulations. I will be sending out that pack to you. What you need to do to claim your prize, please send me an email to the address that is on my About page. Send your address details so I can post that package out to you as soon as I can. Well guys, that just about wraps up this video. Again, as soon as I can release the content that I've been working on, I will do, and you'll know exactly what I've been doing this whole time. I do really appreciate your continued support, guys. Until next time, thank you so much, take care, and I'll catch you next time.